leaving your kids? Daddy went out for a cracker and never came home. Okay, no, he's staying within decent range of them. I guess that's okay. Ooh, how does that windy ASMR feel? Let me blow in your ear some more. Alright, so the floppy-haired deer is rumored to stay in this area. He's super cute. He's a couple of years old. And our goal is to try and find the cutest deer in the park. Which of recent years has been becoming a little bit of a celebrity for looking derpy as fuck. More so than most of them already do. This totally is Pokemon Snap. Yep, exactly. That's the goal. It's like IRL Pokemon Snap, basically. We're in the forest level right now. Snap that shit. Like, each of the green covered umbrella places is the refill spot. Totally random question, what gimbal are you using if you don't mind me asking? It's the... shit. How do you pronounce it? Zheng? Zheng? Young? Zheng? Z-H... I forget. Z-H-N-G. It's like the Chinese gimbal, I think. I forget the name of it. But it cost like... when I bought it, I think it was like 15,000 yen, so like 150 bucks. And now I think it's cheaper if you get this model, because it's like years old at this point. Give me that deer, baby. Alright. Okay, we've got like a big concentration of deer over there. Oh god, not with the fucking tree dust again. Oh, my eye. Not a 30k stick. No, it's not a 30k stick. It's only like 14k. Alright, let's go up this way and see if we can spot the droopy-eared one. There are a couple of Japan streamers that pronounce it gimbal. Oh my god, I know. I heard someone say like, hey, I've got a gimbal. I'm like, wait, what did you just say? Oh, these guys are like... you guys like fucking Call of the Pied Piper right now. Hey, buddy. Walk on through like it ain't nothing. So far, no droopy. Look at this go! Look at him go! Alright. This guy seems pretty chill. Oh wow, we got a race coming on. Look at this group of like insecure little deer. Let's see if they react to the cracker noise going snap. Hey buddy, you guys gonna come play? All right, one.